Overall, the tropics, we're not expecting a major hurricane or anything like that to blow up. More so, this is going to be enhanced moisture that's going to lead to some fairly large rain totals for parts of the Gulf Coast region. Reminder, you don't always need a named storm or even a depression to get a big rainmaker that causes flooding. So this is what we're watching. You can see those showers and storms with that moisture in the Northwest Caribbean this afternoon. Not much is happening across the northern Gulf right now, but watch this. All this rain begins to move into Florida. The peninsula, specifically from Tampa to Fort Myers to Miami, that starts there tonight and tomorrow, and they've got multiple rounds. And you can see every now and then some broad spins in here. So there's a very low chance maybe this becomes something weak. A depression is not impossible, maybe by the end of the week here, and that's going to lift off the East Coast. Notice we are staying high and dry, at least through the end of the work week. It's once we get into the weekend, we're going to be watching for maybe another round of moisture. So there's your rain totals through at least about, we'll say Saturday or Sunday, 10 to 15 inches in spots. Lower totals the further north you go, and then the further west you go as well. What we're going to be watching, not this plume of moisture. You can see that stays parked over Florida through the end of Friday. Watch this though. By Saturday into Sunday, we get another push of moisture, and that's when we could see some heavier rain. Now, with that being said, that could be Sunday into Monday. It all depends on where this moisture goes, and models are going to be all over the place. And if you're anywhere from Texas to the Florida Panhandle, you do need to watch this forecast. And like I said with the last one, whether it's a weak system or it's just a lot of rain in the Gulf, it doesn't really matter. It's going to bring the same impacts of heavy rain to someone by the early part of next week, maybe as early as Sunday and going into your Monday. So we're going to keep you updated on it. It's hurricane season. You got to watch everything that's unsettled in the Gulf of Mexico right now, but it doesn't look like a major wind event for anyone, but it's probably going to bring some heavy rainfall to someone on the Gulf Coast by the end of the weekend and early next week. Well, we've got mostly dry days ahead through the work week here. We got storms today, mostly dry tomorrow. It looks dry Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It will be hot. We'll be in the 90s, so no big relief from the heat. The marine forecast, watch out for those storms today. They can produce water spouts. Tomorrow and Wednesday, though, northeast winds kick in at 5 to 10 knots. High tides happening this afternoon through around 5 o'clock for the lakes. That low tide was earlier this morning. And your lake temperature, it's up to 88 degrees. Wouldn't be surprised if it gets into the lower 90s later on this